then that gives us more strength in negotiating in midst of massive and rampant bidding wars across the GTA. In today's video, I'm going to explain the massive demand and the hot market for freehold properties and things you can do to make sure you get the property you want. Let's get to it. Hello everyone, this is Sam from Realtron Realty Inc. And SaberiSixRealEstate. You can find my contact information in the description box in terms of my office, my Gmail, my phone, anything you need to get in touch with me with. As well, feel free to subscribe, comment, rate, and review, and like this video. If you want, if you enjoy my content and find it informative and enjoyable, feel free to do that. That would be much appreciated. If not, don't do any of those things. Anyways, let's get to the point of today's video, which is the hot market and the vibrant market for freehold property. Right now I'm working with many buyers, but mostly condominium buyers. However, I do have 1 to 3 buyers of freehold properties. Some of them detached, some of them semi-detached. And obviously I'm looking for properties to take them and show them to. Similarly, on the selling side, I'm working with sellers of detached freehold properties as well. So on both sides of the equation, there are many signs that imply the hot market we are dealing with for detached properties, much in contrast with the condominium, the cold condominium market. On the buyer side, what I'm seeing and what I've been dealing with for the past couple of months is massive and rampant bidding wars. Anytime I'm online or I'm using my databases to find properties for my clients that work with my client, given their budget and all the other restrictions in terms of wants, needs, and desires, mostly what I come across is properties priced under market value in order to induce a bidding war with an offer presentation date. Often that's a sign of a very hot market for that commodity, wherein the vendor intentionally induces a bidding war for that commodity. Now, luckily, so far this year, I've been shooting 100% from the field. Every time I've gone in with a buyer into a bidding war, on a combination of luck and obviously I am very much so satisfied with my own skills as a negotiator. We've managed to get the property, and in certain cases we got the property not even offering the highest price amongst all the other offers. Recently I made a video discussing things you can do, negotiating strategies and tactics you can employ in bidding wars for properties in order to win them. And as I'm working with buyers right now for these properties, such as freehold properties, whether it's semi-detached, detached, or townhomes, not so much with the townhomes. We're not really seeing bidding wars for those. However, point being, when I'm discussing our options with them, all I say is, look, make sure you get a pre-approval for a mortgage. Now, why is that important? Because the way I managed to buy a property for my client without offering the highest price amongst all the other 5 offers recently, as of recent times, was through going in firm. When you know what you're doing as a realtor and you have a client who is able to go in firm, obviously there's a lot more details to it. If you have a client that's able to waive a financing condition, it does not mean you're going to win the bidding war. There's all types of other things you have to do to structure a deal to make sure you are putting across in a methodical manner the best case for your client. And I tell this to my buyers: if you have the ability to waive a financing condition and go in firm, then that gives us more strength in negotiating in midst of massive and rampant bidding wars across the GTA. That's today's video, a quick rundown of the trend and my analysis and thoughts on it. Feel free to subscribe, comment, rate, and review. My contact information is in the description box. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Thanks.